The first step in coming up with a good domain name is to start identifying keywords that fit the purpose of your website. It's especially useful if you find keywords that your target audience may search for online. This will help boost your SEO for the people looking for similar websites to your own. It's also important to think of your domain name as your brand's first impression. So with that in mind, you should keep the domain short and memorable. For example, if you're looking for a computer repair service, would you rather trust top-repairs-service.biz or computerrepairs.com? The shorter and clearer the domain, the better. And to make choosing a domain easier, you can use Squarespace domains to select the right domain for you. Each domain is $20 to $70 per year, and pricing depends on the domain's top-level domain. As long as you have a credit card on file, you can purchase domain names from Squarespace. After deciding on your domain name, you'll also have to choose your top-level domain. The top-level domain is the word or letters that come after the final dot at the end of a URL address. The most common top-level domain is .com. If you have the option of purchasing a .com, it's highly recommended you pick up this domain right away. While there are many top-level domain options, historically there exists a bias toward .com top-level domains on the internet. But if your .com domain is not available, don't worry. The next best options are .net, .co, and .org. And if these options are also unavailable, there are plenty of other top-level domains you can choose from. These top-level domains are useful to keep your branding consistent and personalized. For example, an actor's portfolio site could have the domain johndoe.actor, or an exercise-focused social group's website could have the domain exercise.club. You also have the option of exploring geo top-level domains. For example, if your massage therapy business is located in Miami, your website can be massage.miami. Or your Seattle-based theater company can be drama.seattle. You have a variety of options to choose from, so be creative and pick the best top-level domain to fit your brand. I hope this video helped kick off your search for the best domain for your website. Feel free to let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.